Hey, Central and Southeast regions, it's Topher, your Regional Performance Director, and I hope that everybody is on board with creating their video for the upcoming Sales Performance Contest. Listen, it's only a 2-minute video and it can be over one of 4 different topics. Maybe you make a video over how to personalize that follow-up and getting that follow-up there with every single lead. Maybe you do a video on how to make those calls and appointments and setting the appointment each and every time. Or maybe it's a video on the initial impression survey. Or it could be a video on the sales performance report, how you use that report to affect change at your community. Hey, listen, we want the entire Central and Southeast regions on board, your surfboard that is. So if you need a video idea or you need help, just let me know. We want to see full participation. You can get a point toward the contest, and you can also be up for some great swag, not to mention having your video aired all across Alliance. So let's hang 10, grab some waves, grab the surf, hit the board, and let's go!